Hi there, students. A stenographer. A stenographer. This is a profession. You normally have a court stenographer or a court reporter. Let's see. A stenographer is somebody who types and does shorthand as the main part of their job. A stenographer is somebody who writes down what somebody says. So in courts of law, there is normally a court reporter or a court stenographer who writes down everything that is said during a trial. But the court reporter or stenographer is being changed for the court recorder. I think in most British trials there is a court recorder. A court recorder is the person who deals with the recording equipment and makes actual recordings of what is said. So notice, this is stenographer. This is one of these jobs that is disappearing or being pushed out by modern technology. Although I wonder about it, because the ability to record what is going on in a place has been there for many years. It's something that we've been able to do. I think maybe it's more to do with reducing costs. Let's see, there are many things that a stenographer can do that somebody recording can't. If the stenographer can't hear what somebody said, then they say, could you say that again? Or it's not comprehensible. Or perhaps somebody is coughing or shuffling papers, and this could mess up the recording. So clearly it's much better to have a stenographer, because there are less errors, there are less misspellings, there are less inaudible bits in the final transcription. So a stenographer, I think in business in the past, the stenographer in British English, or the stenographist, used to be a shorthand typist. But I think that job is something that is disappearing. I think maybe nowadays the shorthand typist records what the boss says and probably puts it through a machine to make a copy of it, a written copy. So a stenographer, this is somebody who types and writes shorthand, usually in either in an office or in a court, and this stenographer uses a Stenotype machine. It's this Stenotype machine. It's different to a normal typewriter. It's got less keys, and you can push several together to give you different things. So a stenographer. Formality. I'm not sure if people would know what a stenographer is or not. I think they probably would. And as to origin, it comes from steno. Steno means from stenos in ancient Greek, meaning narrow. So narrow writing. You're writing very little. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stenographer, stenography, a Stenotype machine.